I was about to lose my car. My payments were so far behind. It was going to get repossessed.
My washer had broke down.
Not having heat in your house, go to a fast food place for Wi-Fi because you don't have it in your home. Those things will affect your ability to stay in school.
I wouldn't be able to come to school. I wouldn't be able to do anything.
I was ready to go off the deep end.
Biggest ways that we help students is scholarships and emergency grants. They never have to pay it back. Not every school does that. Not every foundation does it. We exist solely to uplift the college.
I was able to keep my car and still come to school.
They got me a used washer.
That $1,000 saved me. Being a full-time student and a single mom, barely even making it. If I would have lost my car, I wouldn't have been able to come here. So then I would have been behind in my classes. I wouldn't be graduating in May. It benefited a lot.